Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to, on your Samsung Galaxy A16, this is the A16, I'm going to show you how to power off your device. I'll also show you how to do additional stuff such as how to make some changes to make your device more suitable for powering off, alright? Especially if you're new to this device, alright? So normally you would press the power button. So if you go to the side here, this is the power button. If you press and hold it in older devices, you would normally be taken to the power menu. But notice what happens now. Alright, so it brings up the digital assistant. So of course that's not what you want to happen. And
I'm your Gemini assistant, ready to help you with research, writing, image generation.
Alright, so as you see, as you saw, the assistant is trying to budging, and of course I'm sure you do not want to use that, and that's not what you needed it for. All right, so to find the power button, go ahead and swipe down from the right hand corner, and once you're here, notice now there's a power option right here. So tap that power option and it will bring up the power menu here. You can then tap to power off, or in this case maybe you want to restart, you can go ahead and restart. All right, so that's the menu as seen here. All right, so that's the long way. Now another way to do it is I'm going to show you to restore the power button to the side to its normal function. So here it says side button settings. Go ahead and tap side button settings, and of course here it's showing that if you double tap the side button, it will bring up the camera. That's fine, but normally it says if you long press, it will bring up the Google Digital Assistant. All right, so if you tap that here, and you notice right here, you notice it says digital assistant, but of course you could see where it says your power menu. So we're going to switch this to power menu, which is what you probably want to happen. So of course we can exit or go back. So let's exit. Now when you press and hold the power button, you'll notice it will return to its normal function that you are used to. See, now it brings up the power menu. So you have two methods now to get to the power menu, and that's how you do it on the Galaxy A16. Do hope this was useful, and do hope you've learned something, and hope that this improves your experience with your device. And as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.